Hey, this is Will of Montrose Ford here in Fairlawn, Ohio. Got these F-250 plow trucks set up, ready to go. Lights on top, toolboxes. So I got two with V plows. I got two with straight plows. Like I said, they're ready to go. Winter's coming up. Got this one over here, doesn't have a plow, ready to sell. So do me a favor, give me a call. Again, this is Will at Montrose Ford. Winter's coming faster than we expect, and from what I understand, according to the little woolly bear, it's going to be a bad one. So again, Will at Montrose Ford, 330-666-0711. My extension is 212. First come, first serve. Everybody knows that you can't get super duties. I'll talk to you soon.